In this episode of Food FAQ, we're going to talk about rambutans. Now listen, these are supposed to be a bit more red, brighter red in color, but they've been sitting in the fridge there and they go a little bit darker. But small thing, let's talk about this beautiful little fruit called rambutans. As with all fruits, you want to give them a good wash, and you'll see why later on. It's important to give them a good wash. So all I'm going to do is go through all, and you know, they originate in Southeast Asia out there, and they're closely related to lychee, logan, as well as chenet, what we call chenet. Some people call aki, some people call genep. Same sort of texture and flavor and stuff like that, but it's really important that you give them a good wash. And besides being native to Southeast Asia out there, they're closely related to lychee, logan, that sort of logan fruit, logan, as well as what we call chenet or genep or aki. Yes, some people call it aki as well in the Caribbean, and that one has the green exterior, but this one here, and you will see that sort of furry sort of skin. And coincidentally, the word rambutan is derived from a Malay word, rambut, I believe, and the meaning of that word means hair, so you can see all of those hairs. Now, as far as opening them, you can use your fingernails that is, and pierce into it, pull back like so, and you will see the sort of skin. And then we have the fruit, the sort of fruit there, and it's very gel-like, very jelly-like. I'll just slice it, and usually you just pop it in your mouth and you would see the sort of jelly, like a coconut jelly kind of thing. But in the center of it, there is a seed, a very hard seed. These are not seedless grapes, ladies and gentlemen, that you want to toss out. So that's going to go into the rubbish, and you can snack on this. The other option is taking a knife, popping the skin, going all the way around. Yeah, if you don't want to mash up that lovely manicure. And there you go. Pop that out, pop that out. And again right here. As far as the flavor is concerned, it's very sweet. It can be very sweet once they're fully ripe and mature and ripe. A bit of acidity in there as well too, and you will pick up the flavor of a nice refreshing grape. So it has the flavor of grapes, and I also pick up flavors of pears in there as well too. The sort of first use would be of obviously as a fruit. Yeah, this would be a lovely sort of refreshing snack. Additionally, I've seen desserts made out of it, I've seen sorbets made out of it, pudding made out of it, and funny enough, or coincidentally enough, or strangely enough, I've seen savory dishes, like curry dishes, made out of this, man. Rambutans, curry. Vegans already, but anyhow, that is our little chat today about these rambutans. Now, here's another reason why it's imperative that you wash these bad boys if you're like Uncle Chris. Now, typically how I would eat this is I would bite it, split it open. Remember I said there's seeds in there, so be careful.